lovely fam, you all are welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody is doing well and you're keeping warm, you're keeping safe. If you're new here, this is the Renders family, and on today's video I just want to make it as simple as ABCD. As you can see or witness, the kids are not at home, they've gone to school. Whenever they are not at home, yes, you all that have kids, you know what it is. So this is the time I usually do what I'm supposed to do. Yesterday I didn't work. Okay, normally if I go to work in the night, I come back next morning, take them to school, come back, do house chores. Okay, so now they are not home. I'm working this evening and I didn't work yesterday, so I slept a bit yesterday. So I'm going to quickly take you through how I clean up the kitchen. I do almost every day, almost every day when they are off to school, because the kids, when they are home, you know what it is. So I'm going to quickly show you clean up. Come and clean with me. That's what it is. So I'm going to do clean up and you all will see it, and after that, if I have more time, I will show you what I'm going to prepare for them, or we can prepare it together before I'll go off to pick them off school. So let's go off to our cleaning. But before we do that, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please, we beg of you. I know the kids are not here to beg you. I'm begging on behalf of them. Help us to subscribe to this channel, and if you can, please help us to share it to any of your social media. We will really appreciate it. So let's go.
So guys, before I go ahead to clean up the whole of the kitchen, I first of all empty the dishwasher. Normally Jason do them when he wakes up in the morning, but we are late this morning, so he then went to school. I decided to do it after dropping them. So I would clean them off, sort them out, and go ahead to put in the dirty ones in the dishwasher, empty the sink before I continue cleaning. So if you're a mom, you work full time, you look after kids, you have more than two kids, please do let me know how you cope. And maybe you do some other things, you run a business, YouTube and stuff like that. Let me know how you manage them. I would really love to learn, because sometimes it's overwhelming that I cannot even continue. I would just feel like giving up. So do let me know. I would like to learn. We learn from each other.
Didn't know what to say, I was taking the train one way. Never thought I'd see you again. Never thought I'd see you again. Coming up short, I didn't have a choice but to let it go. You never let me explain myself. Explain myself. Now
So when I'm done washing up the rags, I'm going to use this Domestos multi-purpose bleach spray. I'm going to use it because of germ and some stains in the sink. I spray it, leave it for some time. It's going to clear it. This is amazing. If you've not tried it before, just try it. I'm sure you're going to like it. Not only cleaning, cleaning all the rusting and every other thing, it also leaves your kitchen germ free. It's so amazing. So when I'm done with that one, I'll go ahead with this Dettol kitchen cleaner for the microwave. Inside outside, I use it to clean it because I don't want to use the bleach one to do it because of the food that we put inside. So watch me do the cleaning.
and everything that I said, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. What you see now? You're getting too close.
So what you saw me doing, whenever I'm cleaning, I don't like to leave the surface wet. So when I use the wet one to clean. I use the dry one. That's why you see me using two rags or three. When I clean with the wet one, I go ahead to use the dry one to dry so that the surface will be dry. Sometimes when you clean something with wet rag and it didn't dry immediately, after it dries, you will not see kind of lines from the water. I don't really like those kind of things. So that is why you see me using two rags. When I clean with one, I use the other one to dry it off. So guys, here is the water filter. Don't mind the top, okay? The signal, as you can see, it has gone down. That place, it's like a battery. When you put a new filter, you will see, you reset it, the place will be filled up as the water go, as the filters water, it's, you see it starts dropping until it gets to zero line. You have to change the filter. So this is me, I try to clean it up because that line has gone down. I need to fill it up. I need to clean it and refill and then put in the new filter. What you saw, that white stuff on the sink, there is the filter. Before I change it, like I said, I go ahead to wash it off, dry it before I put a new one. Okay. And how does it work? This, to be quite honest, is since we moved into UK that I start using this. I've not used it before, and yeah, in Belgium we usually buy bottled water. So when I came here, somebody introduced it to me, and ever since then it has been good and it saves money from buying bottled water. So this is the new filter. This is how it usually come. I usually buy extra to keep in the house. So this is it. You just put it in that water, let the bubbles, let the air inside the filter goes off before you can use it. So what I do is that according to the instruction, you put it there, leave it for some time before you go ahead to take it out. And after taking it out, you have to fix it and filter it so that the remaining air in it will go out. I usually do it like 2 to 3 times before I go ahead to fill in the drinkable water in it. So watch me as I change it and fix everything. Yeah.
Spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head, spinning round in my head. Now I'm leaving behind all the things I had in my mind. I'm changing my ways, I'm floating away. I'm floating away. What you say now? You're getting too close.
As soon as I put in the filter and put in water to filter, I go ahead to reset the meter. I don't know what to call that, pardon me. As you can see, the line is full, so it will now start working as it should. Yeah. So I will go ahead to add the tool. I don't miss that when I'm cleaning my floor, and I go ahead again to add the floor cleaner, to get the water ready before I go ahead to hoover the floor. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please don't forget to give it a thumb up, and if you've watched to this extent, you've not subscribed to our channel, we beg of you to subscribe to this channel, the Renders Family channel. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So let's see how this video ends.
Can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim girl, don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I have.
This is the water. I'm going to turn it off. Go on now to refill the water, and this water that is going in here now is going to be drinkable. I've already as you can see, the washing and soaking the filter, like I said, is the first process. Then you fill it up twice, let the filter takes off the air and all that from the filter before you go ahead. The third one will be drinkable. So I'm done with this one. It's going to be drinkable water after it's finished filtering. Okay, so how do you all find this video? If you like my cleaning, to give it a thumb up, and if you like the process, to give it a thumb up. Although the kitchen is not that dirty because I try as much as possible to always clean it every day. And how do I do that? Whenever they finish eating in the evening and before I go off work, I make sure that I thoroughly clean it before, so that in the morning it will be fresh. And I try as much as possible, any place I see dirt, both on the door, on the wall, in the fridge, at the cupboard or something, I clean it off immediately. I don't leave it to stay there, because the more it stays, the more it accumulates and the more it's difficult to clean. So that is how I manage to keep my kitchen clean. How do you all find it? If you like it, like I said, do give it us a thumb up, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, we beg of you, on behalf of the kids, we beg of you, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. And if you want to know, I have my personal YouTube channel, Rosie's Glam Lifestyle. If you want to check out what's happening there, please do not hesitate to visit the channel. I'm going to leave the link at the description box. Go there, visit. If you like what you see, do subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching, and leave your opinion at the comment section. We would love to read them. Thank you so much, and you know what, do take care of yourself and stay blessed. Bye for now, on behalf of the kids. Bye, we love you. Bye.